Set a Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker 2025 guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If your Frigidaire Countertop Ice Maker isn't making ice, showing error lights, or just not working properly, don't worry. In this updated 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to fully reset it step by step. Let's jump in. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. First, turn the power switch to the off position. Then unplug the ice maker from the wall outlet. This is crucial for a full reset. Step 2. Let it rest. Leave the machine unplugged for at least 10 minutes. This helps clear internal memory or error states. Step 3. Clean the sensors. Optional but helpful. While it's unplugged, wipe the ice sensor and water sensor gently with a soft cloth. Dust or buildup can cause false readings and stop ice production. Step 4. Plug it back in and power on. Reconnect the power cord and turn the machine back on using the switch. Wait a few seconds to let it initialize. Step 5. Refill the water reservoir. Open the top lid and make sure there's enough water. Use clean, cold water and don't exceed the max fill line. Step 6. Start a new cycle. Press the select or power button depending on your model and choose your preferred ice size. The unit should now begin working normally. Pro tips. Always clean the machine regularly to prevent clogs. If it still doesn't make ice, check the water pump and ensure no ice is blocking the mechanism. And that's it. Your Frigidaire ice maker is now reset and ready to make ice again. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more practical how-to videos. Thanks for watching.